Hey Primer Disbest, this is Steve from Virginia. This is a 85 C10. It belonged to my uncle, and I've been getting this rejuvenated. Got it dropped like you and GM 1038 do. It's got a little something special under the hood. Working on the dash. Special shout out to you and to Brian for giving me some tips and tricks on getting this thing to sit right. And next we just gotta put a little paint on her and spruce her up a little bit. Thanks for taking the time to upload all the videos you do to your channel.